Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Tada furnished by chat room in your smartphone. So first of all, you make sure that you install it in your device and then tap on the open button. Then you can see this interface. You need to allow the notification, so you can create your account two ways. First of all, you can account with mobile phone and log in with Google. So log in with Google, you can also log in with your Facebook and Gmail. So this time I'm going to log in Google. It's really easy. So I already logged, and you have to give personal information like your birthday. You can give your birthday. I'm just going to next. It's your nickname. You have to select your gender. Next. So that's it. Enter Tada. You can location prefer, hot chat or soulmate. So you can choose okay, and foreign country, and enter Tada. So this is the interface. So it's really easy. Like popular, you can get here the people talking. You can message here. It's your profile. So there are many. Choose a gift, surprise. Okay, I'm getting it. So you can get a gift here. I got it. So this is really good interface. Random address. So it's like a room or group. If you tap any of them, then you can enter and you can talk with them. It's like a popular. You can join here. It's currently available. Latest. You'll get here latest room. I'm not going to enter because of tutorial purpose. If I go, then you will not hear me. And also PK Pakistani people. You can search here room by your user. You can see it's a room, training search room, and they're talking. You can see. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.